is the Ladies Confident Trail Show. This is the Ladies Confident Trail Show.
Have you ever noticed the moments you remember most in life almost never happen on the days you played it safe? They happen on the days you said yes. Yes to the road trip. Yes to trying something new. Yes to taking the trail even though you weren't completely sure you could do it. What if the biggest thing standing between you and the life you've been dreaming about isn't your Jeep, isn't your schedule, isn't your finances? What if it's simply the story you've been telling yourself about when you'll finally start living? Because here's the truth. None of us know how many summers we get. None of us know how many sunsets we're going to watch. None of us know how many opportunities we'll have to make memories with the people we love. So if not now, when? Today, I want to share 3 simple shifts that can completely change the way you experience your life. They don't require a bigger Jeep, more money, or years of preparation. They simply require a different way of thinking. And if you'll stay with me for the next few minutes, I think one of those 3 ideas might just change the way you look at adventure forever. Welcome to this week's episode of The Confident Trail Show, and I'm Kristin, the founder of LadyJeepers.com, and I am your adventure leader for today. Sometimes we think we're waiting for the right Jeep, the right build, the right amount of confidence, the right season of life. But what if the life you've been dreaming about isn't waiting for any of those things? What if it's simply waiting for one decision to begin? Today, I want to share 3 simple reminders that have completely changed the way I look at adventure, and I hope they'll stay with you long after this episode ends. Tip number 1, stop waiting until you feel ready. Confidence isn't something you find before you begin. It's something you build because you begin. Every woman I know who now confidently explores trails, takes road trips, and creates incredible memories started exactly where you are. Nervous, unsure, wondering if they were capable. They didn't become confident first, they became willing first. Take one small step this week. One drive, one new trail, one place you've never been, because small adventures become a bigger life. Tip number 2, you're collecting moments. One day, your Jeep won't be what you remember most. You'll remember laughing around the campfire, watching the sunrise from a mountain overlook, the conversations, the friendships, the feeling of realizing I actually did that. Life isn't measured by how perfectly we plan it. It's measured by the moments that made us feel truly alive. Don't save those moments for someday. Start collecting them now. Tip number 3, remember what the Jeep really represents. The Jeep has never been the destination. You have probably heard me say that. Type it, put it up on posts, on graphics, on photos, so much lately, because it is so true. It's simply the vehicle that carries you towards the life you were meant to experience, towards confidence, towards freedom, towards healing, towards friendships, toward discovering parts of yourself you may have forgotten were still there. The greatest transformation isn't what happens to your Jeep. It's what happens to you. So this week, take the scenic route. Say yes to something new. Choose curiosity over fear, because the adventurous life isn't built in one giant leap. It's built one courageous decision at a time. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. I know today's podcast and show is a little bit shorter, but I am so passionate about you getting out there, living your adventurous life, changing our lives. I know for me, it's who I became, the life that I've now created. Ever thought it was possible. So I want you to know it is. You can live for yourself. Do things for yourself. Take those trips, create those memories, meet those people. I am an introvert. Getting out there, being social, meeting people, it is hard. But I'm no longer anxious about going to meet a group of amazing women that I don't know. I know we all have a commonality. I know we all share this same space in life where all we are doing is trying to create a life for ourselves. Reconnect to who we are, who we once were. Find the new things that bring us joy for us. And remember, most importantly, this is about grabbing the wheel, driving your life, and living the most adventurous life for you that you can. So if today's episode spoke to you, don't let it become another message that inspires you for a few minutes and then it fades away. Let it be the momentum you decide that someday becomes today. The adventurous life isn't something you're born into. It's something you choose. One decision, one lesson, one trail, one adventure at a time. And the beautiful part is you don't have to figure it out for yourself. If you are ready to start on the path to living a more adventurous life with the education that builds confidence, the support that keeps you moving forward, and a community of incredible women walking the same journey,
LadyJeepers!
I would love to personally invite you to join us inside the Confident Trail University. Because this isn't just about learning how to drive your Jeep, how to work on your Jeep, how to build your Jeep, modify your Jeep. It's about learning to trust yourself, to discover what you're truly capable of, to create memories instead of waiting for the perfect time, and to build a life that feels bigger, richer, and more adventurous than you ever imagined. The education gives you the skills. The adventures change your life. You can learn more and become a part of our amazing, fantastic community and sisterhood today by visiting ladyjeepers.live/adventure. Start on the path to living the adventurous life today. We'll be here to help you every step of the way. So until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, keep choosing adventure, and remember, most importantly, get out there and live your best adventurous life.
We love to go off-road in our Jeeps because it makes us feel free. Subscribe and join us weekly. Adventure is a skill, confidence is built, and you belong on the trail. This is the Ladies Confident Trail Show. This is the Ladies Confident Trail Show.